The party leader outlined the way forward for the party, for the organization. One is that the party is going to engage in a process of using professional organizations to help us in our messaging and our communication. We have begun the process of identifying a firm to work with us, and we're going to be, over the next couple of weeks and months, engaging that firm in a series of focus groups and other exercises to ensure that what we are saying resonates with the public, to determine how the public views us, and to ensure that we are responding adequately to the needs of the public. Secondly, the Secretariat is going to be reorganized and strengthened. There are a number of new positions that are going to be created in research, in technology, with a national organizer, communications. So there are some new positions to be created in the Secretariat that will strengthen the work of the Secretariat and to ensure that we can carry out the work of the political organization.